On top tori for today, presidency don throway better light on top wetin RUGA settlement really mean. Him tok say RUGA settlement na the arrangement wey dem don put for ground to make sure say all animal farmers go dey affected, and dis one no go be only people wey dey train cow, as e go affect everybody wey be say na animals na dem dey train. Dem tok say dis RUGA settlement go be place wey be say animal farmers dem go dey, wey school go dey, good roads, hospitals, markets, veterinary clinics, basic amenities and other ogbonge things go dey ground to make sure say meat and other animal products boku. Garba Shehu, wey be the senior special assistant to President Muhammadu Buhari on top media and publicity, na write am for statement say federal government dey plan all dis ogbonge thing so that dem go fit stop the katakata wey dey shele on top security between farmers and cattle herders. Him tok say Nigeria go benefit from dis thing because quarrel no go dey shele for farmers and cattle herders again, and boost go dey on top animal production. Beef and milk wey the animals go dey produce go dey healthy and hygienic, and animal care go dey gidigba for the animals. Other gains wey dey dis RUGA settlements na job creation, access go dey for credit facilities dem, security go dey for farmers, and cow no go dey waka anyhow again. Shehu write am say federal government no wan seize anybody land as dem dey write am online, and dem no ready to force dis RUGA settlement for any state body. Say na free mind na the states dem go take join dis RUGA settlement if dem want am. Him tok say na 12 states na don throway body put on top RUGA settlement for Ministry of Agriculture, and dem don provide land to take start the settlement for their state, and say dis 12 states reach to take start the scheme. Shehu Garba write am say some states never throway body put for the scheme, and dem still dey talk am dey go say federal government wan collect their land by force, and say na state leaders wey be say dem never fit pay their workers salary finish na im dey yarn all dis kind thing. Him tok say even if say federal government get land for all the states, dem no wan start to dey use the land when the state never throway body put, and na dis one I make wey dem wan start with only 12 states first. Shehu Garba come dey tell all the states say make dem join the federal government for dis RUGA settlement deal so that dem go fit stop the katakata wey dey shele for farmers and cattle herders kpatakpata. Na so we see am reach on top wetin shele for tori for today. On top say presidency don throway better light on top wetin RUGA settlement really mean, as e be say dem don talk am say dem no go carry any state land by force. Make una no forget say na T Live Media na im dey bring dis ogbonge update dey come give una.